Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Know About Embedded System. So in today's video we will understand how to read a sensor data periodically. So this is the title and how to read. So that means we have a sensor, we have a ADC and we have a timer here. So we have to read a data from the sensor to the ADC but not continuously based on the time. So how to do that we will see in this video. But before starting the video, if you are new viewer to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and gain the knowledge on embedded system. Let us start the video. So guys, already you know that how to read a data from the sensor and how to configure the timer. So we have to utilize same thing and we have to read the data. Okay, so based on timer, so timer plays important role here. So let us go back to the coding and we will see how we have developed the code for this, and we will check the output. To do that, so we want three important functions. One is called one is called ADC configuration. Here you can see, so ADC configuration, at least minimum ADC configuration is required. Here I am configuring ADC in a channel number 2, which is connected to temperature sensor here. And in detailed program, it is available in another video. You can just watch that video as well. Okay. So here I'm enabling power, and here I'm enabling the particular analog function. And then here I'm enabling channel number 2. This is my ADCR, that analog to ADC control register. This is my channel number 2. This is my clock division. This is a continuous mode. Burst mode means continuous mode, and then power enable bit, power PDN bit. So this is functions related to ADC we have configured. And second function. So this is my second function related to ADC. So this line number 76, here I'm checking whether done bit is completed or not. So this is line number 76 is called as checking the done bit, whether done bit is set or not. If the done bit is set, then we will read the result and store it in the variable, and as usual. So you can right shift by 4 position, divide it by 14 to get a proper temperature value and print it on the UART. So here I'm printing. Line number 84 is used to print on the UART terminal. So this is my second function related to ADC. Third function is related to timer. Here you can see. So timer is very simple here. So as usual, like timer, I'm playing 23 here, nothing but 24 megahertz running divided by 23. So this is for 5-second delay. Then I'm using a timer with a MR, interrupt mode and repeat mode. Okay, so timer is running for 5 seconds. Okay, and then so I'm checking here. Line number 40 is the important statement here. So you can see, check whether timer timeout happened or not. Line number 40. So line number 40 I'm checking. So if there is a timeout happens, and then I'm calling ADC data. So I'm calling a function called ADC data, and then I'm clearing the interrupt. So this much only main code. So this is and this will be running in an infinite loop. For every 5 seconds, timer will read a data from the sensor. This is what we wanted to develop, and we have already developed here. Okay, so next, and the rest all the things are mandatory things. This part, one is a clock configuration, UART configuration, timer configuration, and ADC configuration. These functions I'm calling here in order to configure your ADC and all. These are all your timer. These are all related to ADC macros, and these are all related to pin functionality related APIs. So this much only the coding. So now let us check whether we will compile, and we will check whether will it work or not. And I'll flash the code here. So now every 5 seconds, the temperature has to be read and it should be displayed on the terminal. So I'll go to here. Yeah, now you can see. it will print for one time, then after 5 seconds it will print. Now you can see. Now you can see. Every 5 seconds it will read. Right? So, yeah. So continuously it will not read now, because you need to know the block diagram which I have displayed here. Now what is happening here? It is playing timer, playing a vital role here. So timer playing an important role. So whenever timer gives a read timeout signal, ADC will read. ADC is connected, but reading will happen only whenever there is a timeout. So in this way, so you can read sensor data periodically with the use of a timer and ADC. Okay, I hope this video is also informative. So please click on like button and subscribe my YouTube channel.